Supply chain issues have affected us, where we have had a completed machine here, for example, that might need a particular component. Might be a gearbox, might be a gas burner, might be a small electrical component inside the control panel. But until we get that component, we can't complete the machine, which does tie up cash. It may be upset the customer, but it's out of our control. Obviously, we have used that time to get alternative suppliers, and that's another development that we've learned from the pandemic is maybe don't put all your eggs in one basket, have your options there so that if you can't get something or something happens, that you've got an alternative. So we've done a lot of that as well. Because of supply chain issues, there are things now that we have started to produce internally. I mentioned to you about a new machine in the machine shop, which helps us to do a lot of our engineering stuff internally now, so we're not reliant on third-party subcontractors. Some of the items we can't produce. I mean, electrical components, PLCs, inverter speed controls, we can't produce those. They are produced by big multinational companies. It will get better. Yeah, I think it's just a case of after the pandemic, people's production just slowed down, so there's no stock of items, and even now we're starting to see things just ramp back up. So yeah, it won't last long.